How to sign up for the Wix affiliate program. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for the Wix affiliate program. These programs allow you to earn commissions by promoting Wix, a popular website building platform. Whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or just someone who loves Wix, this could be a fantastic opportunity for you. Let's dive right in. First thing first, let's talk about the Wix affiliate program is. In a nutshell, it's a partnership where you promote Wix product and in return earn a commission for every sale generated through your unique affiliate link. From Wix affiliate program, you can earn up to $100 per sale. Wix provides you with marketing materials and tools to help you succeed. Track your performance and earning in real time. Get credit for sales made up to 30 days after someone clicks on your link. Access to a dedicated affiliate support team to help you along the way. Now let's get started on signing up for the Wix. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click the link, you will land on this page. Scroll down and click on Earn Money Now. Now it's time to fill your affiliate application. Start by providing some basic information like your name, email address, website, or social media profiles where you plan to promote Wix. After completing the application form, you will need to agree the Wix affiliate terms and conditions. Carefully read through the terms and conditions and check the box to indicate your agreement. Click the submit button to send your application. Congratulations, you've officially applied to become a Wix affiliate now. It's time to wait for approval. Wix will review your application and notify you via email once you are approved. This process can take a few days, so be patient. Once you're approved, you'll gain access to your affiliate dashboard, where you can find your unique affiliate links, marketing materials, and track your earnings. Now it's time to start promoting Wix. You can do this through your website, blog, social media, or any other platform where you have an audience. And there you have it. That's how you sign up for Wix affiliate program. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.